Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Proxy server. I will show you that all the collection that it have in this Proxy server. Okay, how many times you spin you will get unlimited diamond, all collection, and but you cannot send gift to your real account. All this collection will stay here only. Don't think that we can send gift. That they will show you in YouTuber that so many social media like Facebook, I have seen Instagram, they tell us comment your ID to get to send you a gift, but don't believe that. Okay, that is not true, that is fake. You cannot give this all collection and diamond coin. It will remain here only. You cannot do anything. You cannot give to someone, you cannot send, but you can use it here only in this game only. But this server I have got cannot play BR CS, only can play Lonely Wolf CS. Yes, we can play, but not rank push. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, like. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. So many collection that I have seen here, so long I have searching for this server, this Proxy server, and I really want to get it. But when I got it, I really like it, but the thing is not working for giving gift to my real account. But that's fine, it's okay, we still can use it here. But what to say, I spend so many time diamond. I can spend all this diamond. I spin, and some emote is not given, but we can buy it directly. But I still want to spin it because I just want to waste this diamond, and this server cannot be used for a long time, median for only just for hour. Okay, not for long time. I cannot play like one day. I have to log in 2 times because they are not allowed us to play long time. And if you want that, I will show you how to get this Proxy server. Okay, all the collection is on, but some collection then we can buy directly, like I will show you later. Just imagine if you have this account, how you waste this diamond, you never know. Okay, my English is not good, but I think you understand it. Okay, I'm speaking because I am not good in English. My grammar also not good. Yeah, it's okay about that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share. Those who want to see the collection that I have used here. If you want to log in this account, I can show you how to get this. Please comment. Okay, those two one, then I will make another video that I have created from how to use it. I will show you in each okay, each step I will show you, then you will got it. Then you also can see, you can play this like this account. Okay, I will put, okay, look, I will put the collection in my profile ID. Look, cobra. I will choose all emote, okay, selfie mode, line. I don't know all the name of them. I don't know all emote name, but I will put all one, okay. This love heartbroken is not all, but all and all only, but not that much all. I will put that, okay, wait, okay, I am searching. I will show you. Wait. So many emotes, same. Wait, okay, because so many emotes. Yes, I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll make it nicely. 7. This then so nice for me. 7. Wait, okay. 8, 9. So many because I cannot put all of them here, okay. And 10. So many all emote. I really like the emote. If I can send gift, then I will send everything and I will share to my friend also. Look, okay, 10 year, 6 year I will put first, then 10 year I will put 9, 8. No more space. Just look, okay. After save, then nice. Look, my profile emote, nice emote, set emote. I think you really like this, okay. Me also, I really like, but one thing is I cannot send gift. If I send gift, then I can give to you, my friend, even you who look also. If you comment your idea, then I really give, because what to do now, unlimited diamond. Then if we send gift, then I think we'll get blessed, support, so many things, right? This boya pass, all I claim it, just claim it, no need to do anything. Okay, without mission they don't give this, no, but still I still get 9 like that, 900, 9,000 what, I forgot. I claim it so fast. All the collection I get, look, so nice, man. If I will get this ID permanent, then I can play like normal game, then it will be so nice, man. I want to send gift to my real account, but cannot send. They said you can send 0 times. What telling? One skin, so you can just buy it. If in our real account like this, then sure that I will buy with coin only, because I have coin, no more coin. Not like this coin, but this is more only. But my real account, then I have only 7 lakh coin, diamond, and I think 5. So less diamond, man. I don't have money top up now. What do you think, guys? If you just buy like this, then will you top up? I don't think so. But to get coin also is difficult little bit. But diamond, then if no top up, I think if we'll play 100 year also, I don't think we will get even 1 diamond. Garena then so confused what I tell. Look, 100 level I buy just like that only, with money only, okay, not claim. Like claim only, they just give free diamond, free coin. I really like this emote. even though I am not in 100 level, but I just want to get that 100 level emote. Look, money rich wala emote. Why I talk man in Hindi, but Hindi also not good, my English also not good. Don't talk about that. Okay. Wow, so nice man. This emote, this punch one punch car emote is, if I can send them, but if he can send also, I don't think that they will Garena will allow. If Garena will allow to send, then why we will top up now? Just claim, man. What to do? I really want to send gift to my real account. My brother shocked that I get this type of game, this type of server. He think that I can give him, I can send him emote, but no way, man. Even me also I want to send, but why? What to do now? If I cannot send also, but I really want this account, man. I really like it, even in timing also. What do you think, friends? Will you like it? Just to look all the collection, because I've never seen, no, I have never have my own account, but this is why I think I feel like my own account, you know. Oh man, nice. I have never seen this emote, or you have seen, but I don't know. We have different server, no, like India, Pakistan, different, no. We India, then so less. Only after when another server came and coming to us, so bad. Check the my mode, so nice, man. UMP, even diamond also we can send, no. So bad. Season 1 bundle, so nice, man. You look, even golden also is on already got it, but when I want to wear it, but so difficult, man, to find, because there is so many bundle with thousand bundle. How can I see, you know, because only one I'm searching, then so many bundle, so difficult, man. Hip hop season 2 Joker bundle, so many. This hacker 1 bundle. Oh, not hacker, man. Hacker dender one, like ping one only, later only. But I am rich, man. I am rich. Just in timing, I am rich. So many money. 100 level. So nice, man. All emote. I have never got to do my own emote, no. But in this account, then me freestyle. I can do whatever I want, but I just wanting to send gift only, no. The main thing then to send gift. I thought we can send gift to our real account, but I believe that in YouTube they show us that we can do it. We can share. They do live that they send gift to another person, but I don't think that they can give in reality, but that is just a fake, I think. Or what do you think, guys? This new emote only. This Saitama emote, so nice, man. 1 punch gone. This is also nice. All the collection I have got, man. What to do, just to buy, to waste all the money, all that diamond. I buy this AK just like that only. Look, khatarnak wala scar I have buy it, but so costly, man. How much 25,000 with coin. All 25. Look, this all one. I buy shotgun. Danger wala shotgun बहुत अच्छा है. Take. ये 94. Look, emote. Set wala emote, खतरनाक wala emote, selfie wala emote. So nice man, this emote. Rich emote. I'll show you 100 level emote. All the dangerous emote that I have seen, but I never seen it. I just got it, but that is really nice. Look, okay, I will show you membership. Look, 23,546 day. Do you think you will still get to continue to claim all the diamond? I don't think so. क्या छोटिया बनाया वो लोग को. ये बंडल इमोट, ये मिडकिट वाला इमोट, बैग, कार, बहुत अच्छी वाली कार. Nice car. I will download, okay, because so many I haven't finished to download. Just download direct. After a few hours I will not get it, this account. I have to relog in it again, then only. That's mean I have to report only. I have to report. I don't. My data is very less, man. My data. Oh data. Unlimited 5G also still finish, man. In this place I have sit. I don't get 5G, like I don't get unlimited. I have get if I stay outside. Okay. What is this, man? All black. I just see the number. क्या छोटे बनाया. Profile season 1 or profile. I cannot open this crate. Look, so bad. Look, meow. Bundle. Even girl, but so nice, man. Golden. Look, season 1, season 2. Hip hop bundle, खतरनाक वाला bundle. 70 bundle. Look, I will open. Not working. I can open all this crate. Yeah, if they don't allow us to open also, but already there, man. I already get all those. No, what to say now? Nice emote. I will show you all this emote. Okay. Look. So many emote looking same, but different. I think you know it, you understand it. Same but different. Look. Superman wala emote. This one also I like. So nice, man. Look, I'll show you. Look, so many different. This one then not nice. This one then like same like that. Up one only. Not this one then nice. Another one, okay, I'll show you. Yes, this one also nice. So nice, man. Whoa, I really like it. Yeah, this one then so nice. This one then nice only, but this one खतरनाक वाला deck. Look, no, this one is like this. if I will click the another one. No, but same, but I will show you also. Okay, another one. How? Hey. See, बंदा कहाँ गया? मतलब वो अलग का बंदा खेले वेले. देख तो चे. This another one. This one also khatarnak. This one nice only. Oh, this one then. I really like it, man. Ish. I really like it. Dek. Carpet wala. Clap your hand. Hello guys. This ring वाला ये पेट लुक को साथ चल रहा है अच्छा नहीं है लेकिन मिलेगा तो होगा क्यों नहीं होगा this one also so nice look now how he came this one then rich man so nice car I really like the car the way how he came up from the car this one then okay I will look hey this one is this I really like it whoa I am for a one only man this one Evo this one then खतरनाक बहुत खतरनाक all this modern niche if I can send gift I enjoy man no top up no more top up but now also I don't top up because wasting money in game if only if you support me then I will get money to top up to show you what I have got then I really need your support man please subscribe to my channel don't forget to subscribe okay please friend I also subscribe so many small creators small YouTuber no you know if you support other then I always support other but I want you also to support my channel okay I am not telling like that I have subscribed many channels those to subscribe my channel no I will really subscribe back to your channel okay I will show you later then I have but I have seen that no so many of them no when I subscribe their channel no but they don't subscribe my channel but that's okay just to subscribe is not loss no if you subscribe my channel no those who want me to subscribe their channel please you can send me on Instagram I have wrote the alone boy idiot 120 okay like same in my YouTube channel I have put it you can follow me I will follow back then just share me your Instagram or if you tell me to follow so I will follow you okay this collection man how so nice collection almost finished man the video will end okay if you want this proxy server I will really show you okay how to download it then you will see how so nice man I really like this account look boyade emote boyade but one thing I really like is cobra okay I will show you another one first and I will show the cobra the last one my favorite emote look so nice man what do you say cobra bundle is the most the most one. Money, oh money, 100 level, okay, 100 level. Thanks for watching, okay, please watch till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to those friends who want to see all the collection of this, okay, of this server.